Nestled in the rich foliage of Trinidad's northern range, in this area known as Spring Hill is the Asa Wright Nature Center, a nature resort with an eco-lodge and miles of winding trails. A birdwatcher's paradise with over 130 species of birds, including 14 types of hummingbirds, an educational center and a research center. This not-for-profit trust was established with the mission to protect part of the Arima Valley in a natural state and to create a conservation and study area for the protection of wildlife and for the enjoyment of all. The center owns approximately 1,300 acres of precious forest.
Hi, welcome to Asa Wright. Our mission is to conserve and preserve part of this Arima Valley. Education, research, opportunities, and a place for you to be able to enjoy now, in this present time, and for future generations to come. As visitors, we welcome you for the day, and when you overnight, you contribute to our education program.
The Arima Valley has a rich history which includes a significant contribution to the world's understanding of tropical ecology. It was here, at the Nature Center's Simla Research Station, that the renowned American scientist and explorer William Beebe established his tropical research station of the New York Zoological Society. The centerpiece of the Asa Wright Nature Center is this building, the main house, constructed over 100 years ago by Charles William Meyer, the son of a German immigrant, using hardwood grown on this land. In 1946, Spring Hill Estate was bought by Asa Gudmundsdóttir Wright, a nurse from Iceland, and her British husband Henry Newcomb Wright, a World War I veteran who had suffered exposure to mustard gas and was advised to move to a warmer climate.
The Wrights grew cocoa, coffee and citrus and made quite a good living off the estate. Even when her husband Newcomb died, Asa Wright still managed to run the estate quite well. It was after she became ill that a group of naturalists, headed by American bird artist Don Eccleberry, they rallied together to raise money to buy this property so that it would become a nature center.
In 1967, the Asa Wright Nature Center was established as a trust in perpetuity for the protection and preservation of the estate, the benefit of science, and for the enjoyment of all generations to come.
The forests here protect our ecosystem. It helps by giving us oxygen and removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It also helps with stabilizing our climate. Forests play another key role by protecting our habitat, giving us medicine, and it also helps with the mental state of mind.
Common sights at these feeders are agouti and golden tegu lizards known locally as mat, along with several species of birds. All, including the other animals on this nature reserve, are protected. A main focus of Asa Wright Nature Center is education.
We lead intuitive tours for a wide range of age groups, from preschoolers to adults. We have done interactive environmental education sessions with primary schools in the Arima Valley, secondary schools and universities. This year we did a big project with a group called CAN, which stands for Protect and Nurture, Trinidad and Tobago, where we challenged secondary school students to devise a project where they could reduce solid waste in their school, classroom or home. We also do volunteer projects with international and Trinidadian students.
From its inception, ecological research has been a core activity of the center. Over the years, it has facilitated and partnered with researchers for bat monitoring and GPS tracking of the oilbirds of Dunstan Cave, among others. Camera trap projects have also been done. The center encourages the public to submit list of birds observed on its property to ebird.org and photos of other animals spotted at Asa Wright to its project Asa Wright Nature Center Biodiversity at inaturalist.org.